Hi everybody! Today we're going to be talking about the LifeWave Silent Nights Patch, and if you want to have a great night's sleep, then use Silent Nights. Now there's a number of locations that we recommend in our instructions, and the first thing I'll recommend to you is that the first week that you're using Silent Nights, use all of the locations that's in the instructions. That way you can find out which of the points works best for you. The other thing that we found out in our clinical research on Silent Nights is that about 50% of the people that use Silent Nights respond well to a point on the head, and about 50% respond well to a point on the feet. So let's take a look at 2 or 3 points that you can try. The first one is located on the right temple, and it's just like it sounds. It's located right over there. So you're simply going to take the backing off of the patch and then apply it to the right temple. Now, a second place that's on the head where you can apply the Silent Nights patch is at a pressure point just below the ear. And it's really easy to find. It's located right down over here. So you would simply apply the patch to this point below the right ear on the right side of the neck. Now, for those of you that would like to try applying the patch to the top of the foot, that's also a very easy point to find, and it is located in the webbing between the big toe and the next toe over. So you're simply going to take your index finger, apply a little bit of pressure at that point, you'll see where it is, and then just apply a Silent Night patch there. So try all of the locations that are in our instructions, and I'm sure you're going to find 1 or 2 that works really well for you.